Welcome back, Harbros, to the Harbro channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. 2-for-1 today. 2-for-1. We have the car wash bundle kit. Only 20 bucks. We'll go over the math. And the weekend deal. The weekend deal this weekend. 50% off any single item for everybody. 30% off any single item. $10 and under for everybody. And then early access for ITC. We'll dive into it. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing. And what should we start off with? We're going to start off with the car wash bundle kit. We saw this on the promotions page, and we're just going to do the math. We're going to do some investigative journalism to see if this is a good deal. So we will right away get out our handy dandy calculator. Oh, well, before, let's go over the deal. It's car wash bundle kit, 20 bucks, save it's a $36 value. So we'll do the comparison. Started today, going through April 4th. So it says grab these 4 items, save 44%, which I like to see. And we'll check it against our logic. Buy a 5-gallon bucket of Meguiar's 64-ounce gold class car wash shampoo and conditioner. Grant's XXL Ultimate Microfiber drying towel, which is a Harbro favorite, Harbro approved. Charlie the everything. Shun the non-believer. Super Harbro approved towel. And then the Ultra Plush Grant's Chenille Microfiber wash mitt. And all of that for $19.99. There's a little asterisk here. I'm not sure why, but there's an asterisk. No coupon required. Discount applied at the register. Cannot be combined or stacked. There it is. In-store only. Limited time only. So again, through April 4th. Now, a little bit of insider information. If the Harbros know, if you're new to the channel, maybe you don't. Buckets you'll get for free. 69 cents is the most you'll spend, maybe a little bit less. But if you're ITC, you'll get this bucket for free probably 4 or 5 times throughout the year. So we're not going to count this in our bundle price. This is 69 cents. The Grant's XXL Ultimate Microfiber drying towel has been up to 50% off. So we'll start doing the math. 69 cents for the bucket, plus this is $5.50, 11 bucks, half off. $5.50 for the Grant's Ultimate Microfiber drying towel, and then $7. Well, let's do it this way, because these 2 items here you can get for the $20 and under 30% off deals, that come up. So those we're not paying full price for those either. So that's 7 plus 14, that's $21, 30% off. Whoa, $21 at 30% off gets us down to $14.70. plus a 69-cent pencil, which is nice, plus $5.50. Where are we going wrong here? Plus $5.50 gets us to $20.89. So this is with 50% off the towel, free bucket, 30% off anything $20 and under, and that gets to $20.89. So this $19.99 bundle is great. And I guess we should have known with 44% off. That's an excellent deal in a bundle kit. That's better than a free bucket, half off the Harbro approved towel, and then 30% off the Grant's and Meguiar's products. So Harbro approved 100%. This is a good deal. Harbros, let me know if the math worked. So that's our car wash bundle kit. And then we'll go into the weekend deal starting March 27th, Friday, March 27th to March 29th for everybody. And this is 15% off any single item with coupon, valid from Friday to Sunday, valid in store only, 1 coupon per customer per day, valid in store while supplies last. Pre-sale included. Coupon must be presented at time of sale. 15% off any single item purchase, cannot be combined with other offers or prior purchases, excludes ITC, yada, yada, yada. And that's 15% off any single item. And then this is just concurrent, 30% off any single item, $10 and under. It's going to be the same verbiage, essentially, cannot be combined. So 2 different deals that I've seen on different weekends, which is awesome. Limit 1 per coupon, limit 1 coupon per customer per day. So we'll look at our options for the $10 and under, and we'll look at what we recommend. Remember, Harbros know this. If you're new to the channel, 15% off. This is the reason 15% off is our bare minimum off of any item that you're getting at Harbor Freight, because these 15% coupons and sometimes more are offered multiple times throughout the year. And here we're at one of them. And so I'll give you a couple recommendations as to what you should look for. And then Harbor Freight has been doing this. These I'm not as much of a fan for because I don't think there's as much value for ITC, but there's a couple items that might be valuable having the early access. But these are the exact same deals that are for everybody else except, and Harbros, you are someone, you are, except you're getting early access. And early access tends to be good if there's items that are selling out and you want to get there before anybody else. Most cases, for 15% off any single item, there's not going to be a big rush for anything to sell out unless there's a brand new tool coming out. And then, of course, 30% off any single item, $10 and under. Same idea. No one's rushing in to get an item that's $10 and under. So early access, unless you're trying to beat the crowd, doesn't make sense. Maybe a little bit of convenience, but that's the weekend deal. Let me know what you think. What are the Harbros going in for? Let's check out. Well, let's see what I'll give you my options of what I'm recommending. So awesome bundle kit. But first place I start off with for 15% off any item is the brand new tools, because rarely do the new tools get discounted. And of course, we already have some great options here. We have the 5 new G2 icon ratchets that are available, and people have been buying these at no discount, but here we have a 15% discount. So if you wanted to, the brand new long length G2 ratchet features a hardened pawl mechanism and chrome moly gears for ultimate strength and lifetime performance. A 26-inch handle if you're a size queen, provides greater leverage on tough fasteners. $120. Don't believe there'll be an icon I mean, there could be an icon ratchet sale soon, but I don't know if they'll, well, we'll see. I eat my words. Hopefully they do. But if you want it now, it's brand new. They just came out at $120. This is the perfect time to use the 15% off coupon. You'll save almost $20. Get it $18 off, get it down to $102. So excellent deal. The ones that might sell out maybe was the short ratchet. I saw people buying these, and this shows in stock, so maybe not. But these were I believe this one fit in the new meme, was it the new meme tool at $33, already well priced. Again, that's a great deal, but at 15% off, get down to $28, save an extra $5. Why not on your G2 ratchet? Or if you are ITC and if there's something that's maybe going to sell out, it doesn't look like it is here though, it's in stock in my store, is the Icon G2 1/4-inch drive 2 5/8 inch stubby ratchet. And that, again, that's at $30 already. Not the biggest savings, but people are buying it without the discount. Get it down almost $5 to $25.50. Diddy did it. Yep, I said it. And then the other new items as well. Always great. We have the new Braun 750 lumen LED portable work light, $15 already. Already a great deal. You can save an extra 15% off. There's the brand new Grant's Ultra Plush Edgeless Microfiber Towels 12-pack. Also, again, already $5. Not getting the biggest discount, but still an option. But the Yukon, the brand new Yukon 36-inch, 18-inch by 18-inch 5-drawer rolling cabinet, blue, compared to Cobalt, up to 1,200 pounds, has 10,300 cubic inches of storage capacity, smooth ball bearing drawers. This is an excellent option. I don't think this will be on sale anytime soon. It's $330, and at 15% off, you save $50. Get it down to $280, and this just came out. This would be an excellent deal to get. Look, there's no reviews, and you're getting it already $50 off. So that's an excellent choice for 15% off. The brand new Atlas. Was this on sale for the deal, for the Atlas deal? I don't think it was out yet. 15% off. Maybe it was, but still 15% off this Atlas Behemoth. $500 for the blower. The 2 batteries alone by themselves cost $500. So they're just basically throwing in a charger and a backpack blower. But here you're getting it 15% off, get it down to $425, and so on and so forth. Some good options in the brand new tools, because again, they rarely go on sale. And then we will adjust this from high to low, because we are going to do our logic test on the 30% off any single item, $10 and under. And that logic fits the same. The best place to use your 15% off is on new tools. And then also on 30% off any item, $10 and under, because there's $10 and under items in the new tools. And that's where we're going to get our biggest bang for your buck. These are just 50% off. And here we go. Let's see, what options do we have? We have Spectrum, Refill Kit, Starter Kit, Hercules long reach bimetal plunge blade, save $3. It's not the greatest options. A lot of accessories. Hercules multi-purpose drywall blade, oscillating tools, stainless steel wire wheel, also Hercules, oscillating blade, bimetal wide cut blade from Hercules. A lot of different oscillating tool blades that you can get an extra $3 off. Wire wheels from Hercules, close to $3 off. This one seems probably like one of the better deals. Braun UV leak detector LED flashlight, $8. Get that down to $5.60. So some good options there. Maddox tailgate support clamp, ultra plush edgeless microfiber towels at $5. Luminara everyday 100 lumen swivel lens LED headlamp, $4. So already good deals. The other place where we're getting, again, great deals is going to be the instant savings. So we'll look at both. So we'll sort this from high to low. 15% off any item. These items here are already discounted, and you should be able to stack 9 out of 10 stores, the extra 15% off any single item. And this is where you're going to get some big savings. This Hercules 4-amp quarter-inch die grinder, already 18% off, down to $65 from $80. And you get this an extra 15% off, getting it down to $55.25. Great deal. The Icon 2100 lumen LED rechargeable magnetic compact floodlight, $45, already 18% off. A little pricey for a light, but still get an extra 15% off. Get it down to $38.25. So saving, was that $15, $16, $17? Great deal. And then, of course, multiple different options for the Harbros. This one's only 5% off for the heavy duty, so we'll pass on that. Consider that the tarps do go 40 to 50% off a few times a year, maybe once or twice, but you can still stack with these. Always good to stack. The Pittsburgh 10-inch adjustable demolition pry bar wrench, $15, already 15% off at $15. And then you could wait for this one to get 30% off of 20 items, $20 and under, but 15% is close. Get down to $12.75 for the pry bar wrench demolition wrench. And then at the $10 and under, some knee pads from Ranger for the loved ones, hard terrain gel knee pads, $10. Save an extra $3 here. Make sure they're using the right coupon. Voyager 12-inch tote with 18 pockets, already down to $10, save an extra $3. WD-40, the other items that you can use are the consumables, one being WD-40. And it's already on instant savings, $10. This is going through the 9th, so save an extra $3 for this WD-40 Smart Straw lubricant. Excellent use. And then we also have this other WD-40 11-ounce special rust release penetrant spray, down to $8. So you're going to save close to, we'll do the math. Get it 30% off. Save almost an extra $2.50, $2.40. Get it down to $5.60. Excellent. For the moving bros, you get a moving blanket, ultra plush towels, already 50% off. So great deal here for the 12-pack at $5. Save an extra 30%. So you save an extra $1.50 off of these. We'll do the math for you. 5 times 30% off, $3.50. Excellent deal. I expect people to be stocking up on some of these plush towels with this 15% off. Actually, sorry, 30% off. 30% off because it's $10 and under. It's $3.50. So that's where I start. New tools, instant savings, and then really it's for any of the big ticket items. So if you're looking and you can't be patient, you don't want to wait for the storage days. Well, they'll get up to 20%, maybe 25%, maybe there'll be a one-off, and there will be a one-off. That'll be better than 15%. But if you can't wait and you want this now, there's the 56-inch, 22-inch roll cab Series 3 in purple. It's $900, but you could get it for 15% off. You'd save, it's $135. That's not too bad. Let's just check. This will be like the max, most likely the maximum best deal you're going to get is 25% off if you wait. If you're patiently waiting, get it down to $675. So you're saving $225 versus 15% off, which is it's $90 less. So, $90 isn't nothing. It's not nothing, but at 15% off, you're still getting a decent discount, getting it down to $765. So it's the big ticket items that if you're going in, 15% off is not too bad. 15% off is still pretty close to those 20-25%. I mean, $90 is a lot, but it would be for those big ticket items. Anyways, I'll leave it at that, Harbros. What do you think? This is the weekend deal, bundle savings car wash. I'm excited about this one. I didn't expect it to. From one of our last videos where we mentioned this, I didn't expect this. I expected them to try to pull a fast one on us, and they didn't. $19.99 is better than getting the free bucket 50% off and 30% off of these items. So great deal on the car wash bundle kit. And then the weekend deal, 15% off. Any single items, 30% off. Any items, $10 and under. Actually, before we finish it, we will look at some of the hand tools. Icon mat, if you have it in stock in store, 15% off. Solid time to get it back to its original price. 21 bucks, actually slightly over its original price of $19.99. Don't believe there's any hand tools from Icon that are less than 10 bucks, but there will be some Quinn, Pittsburgh, of course, and some Doyle hand tools that are available. One of my favorites, the Precision Electronics Repair Kit. Get that 15% off. I was hoping this would be $10 up, but you can get 15% off the Precision Screwdriver Set. Solid deal. Doyle's 5-inch tweezer pliers, the Doyle Professional Wire Stripper. Don't fall in love with this stripper, but at 30% off. Great deal. Professional Retractable Utility Knives, Professional Flip Utility Knife, also $3 off. Good deals there. Great options. But I'll leave it at that, Harbros. Are you? I'm excited about it. Love to see 20% off, but 15% off gives us a chance to at least get a discount on some of the new tools. There's the car wash bundle kit, 30% off any item, $10 and under. Got to do your research. I'll try to link the link in the description for every item that's $10 and under. Then, of course, ITC early access. Let me know what the Harbros think, but I'll leave it at that. Happy Harbor freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.